Video script, digital detox, cultivating mindfulness and boosting productivity. Introduction. In a world filled with notifications and endless scrolling, it's easy to lose focus. If digital distractions hinder your personal growth, it's time for a change. Today, we explore digital detox, how unplugging can enhance mindfulness and boost your productivity, why it's important. Technology's impact on mental health is significant. Excessive screen time can increase anxiety and reduce productivity. A digital detox not only sharpens your focus but also reclaims time for self-care and growth, striking a balance between technology use and well-being. Main insights. 1. Mindfulness through disconnection. Digital detox fosters mindfulness and active awareness of the present. Stepping away from screens allows for reflection, enhancing emotional intelligence and self-awareness. 2. Boost in productivity. Reducing screen time can double your efficiency. Fewer distractions enable you to concentrate better and achieve more in less time. 3. Enhanced emotional control. Taking breaks from devices improves emotional regulation, building resilience and mental toughness for better stress management. Practical steps. Set boundaries. Designate specific times for device use and create tech-free zones, especially during meals and before bed. Create a mindful morning routine. Start your day without screens. Engage in meditation, journaling, or light exercise to foster a positive mindset. Schedule digital detox days. Dedicate one day a week as your digital detox day for hobbies, nature walks, or connecting with loved ones. Common mistakes to avoid. Going cold turkey. Abruptly quitting technology can lead to burnout. Gradually ease into your detox. Ignoring triggers. Identify when you reach for your device and plan alternative activities. Neglecting purpose. Ensure your tech use serves a purpose and monitor time spent on non-productive activities. Conclusion. Digital detoxing is about more than just stepping away from screens. It's about fostering mindfulness and enhancing productivity. Begin your journey toward personal transformation today by setting healthy technology boundaries. A mindful approach to your digital life can help you become your best self. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share your digital detox experiences in the comments below. From distraction to action, turning your devices into tools for success. Introduction. In our fast-paced digital world, devices can either hinder or enhance our productivity. This video explores how to transform your smartphone from a distraction into a powerful tool for personal growth, why it's important as technology becomes integral to our lives. Finding balance is crucial. Excessive screen time can harm mental health and productivity. By navigating our digital landscape mindfully, we can turn distractions into opportunities for self-improvement. Research shows that mindful device usage correlates with greater satisfaction and goal achievement. Main insights. 1. Mindfulness in device usage. Practicing mindfulness enhances digital engagement. Set specific times for checking notifications to reduce the urge to constantly reach for your phone. Intentional usage fosters emotional intelligence and self-discipline. 2. Leveraging productivity apps. Utilize apps like Todoist for task management and Headspace for mindfulness. These tools can significantly boost efficiency and reduce procrastination. 3. Creating a digital wellness routine. Establishing a digital wellness routine can transform your tech interactions. Schedule tech-free times. Similar to how successful individuals prioritize work-life balance. Practical steps. 1. Set boundaries. Designate specific times for checking emails and social media. Use apps to limit screen time and stay focused on priorities. 2. curate your digital environment, unsubscribe from unnecessary notifications, and follow inspiring accounts to minimize distractions and foster a positive online atmosphere. Point 3. Incorporate reflective practices. Reflect on your digital interactions each evening. Assess whether they align with your goals and contribute to your personal development. Common mistakes: over-reliance on technology. While apps can enhance productivity, excessive dependence may lead to burnout. Balance digital and real-world engagements. Ignoring mental health. Constant connectivity can be overwhelming. Take breaks and engage in offline activities to nurture your well-being. Lack of clarity. Without clear intent, it's easy to get lost in information overload. Keep your goals in focus. Conclusion: transforming your devices into success tools involves consciously engaging with technology for personal growth. Implement these strategies today for a more productive and fulfilling life. Like, subscribe, and share this video for more insights on self-improvement and digital wellness. Mastering your mindset. Using technology to accelerate personal growth. Introduction: in a world where devices often distract us, mastering your mindset can transform personal growth. Imagine leveraging technology not just for productivity, but also to enhance mental strength and emotional intelligence. Today, we'll explore how to use technology for self-improvement while avoiding its pitfalls, why it's important as technology shapes our lives, our relationship with it significantly impacts personal growth. Research indicates that excessive screen time can increase anxiety and decrease focus, highlighting the need for a balanced approach. By consciously engaging with technology, we can foster a healthier mindset and establish habits that promote personal transformation and emotional control. Main insights: 1. Harness digital tools for goal setting. Utilize apps like Trello or Notion to set and track personal